Hi, Alicia Catherine Daniel, owner of Genesis Law PA, an estate planning and probate law firm here in Florida. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will be updated as soon as I upload new videos about estate planning and or probate. In this video, I'm going to answer the following question. Do I need a will if I have a trust? The short answer is yes, and here is why. A trust is an agreement where you are going to provide instructions for how you want your assets to be distributed and held and managed. You're going to name a trustee, and that is the person who's in charge of managing those assets. While you are alive, assuming this is a living trust, most people name themselves as the trustee. And then when they pass away, they have something called a successor trustee. That person steps into the original trustee's shoes and they carry out the rules and obligations of the trust agreement. Here's the thing. A trust only has control of assets that are owned by the trust. So, if you pass away and you have assets that you did not transfer into the trust during your lifetime, the only way to get those assets into that trust after you have passed away is through a pour-over will. This is your backup plan. And what it does is it allows you to transfer assets that you owned solely in your name when you pass away into that trust. It is the only way to get assets into your trust after you have passed away. And 9 times out of 10, there are assets that people forgot to transfer to their trust, or they just didn't have sufficient time to get around to it. And again, it allows for the transfer of those assets into the trust after you have passed away. Now, of course, because those assets were not in the trust before the death, what's happening is you're not going to avoid probate with those assets. So now these assets have to go through probate in order to get into the trust. If you need assistance with your estate planning and you are a resident of New York, New Jersey, or Florida, click on the link below to schedule your consultation. Again, Alicia Catherine Daniel, owner of Genesis Law PA.